Our first step is to add a 2-motor drivetrain with ports 3 and 8, just like last time. Hit no gyro to finish it off, and then change your track width and wheelbase numbers. 295 is probably about accurate with your track width, but your wheelbase should be within 100 and 200. You now need to add another device, a 3-wire attachment. Press bumper switch and then select port A before hitting done. Now that you have that in there, you are ready to code. If we now go and select the sensing blue dot to the left, we will be able to scroll to the very bottom and find a sensor block that says bumper sensing. We are going to take that out, drag it, put it next to the when starting block for us to use it later. We're now going to head up to the control tab and select a forever loop. Attach this to the when started. Now, be careful. You are going to take the loop under that, the if triangle then, and you are going to put it inside the forever loop and then move bumper A so it fits in that triangle. Make sure that these appear in the correct order. If any one of these is placed slightly wrong, things will get weird. Now, we are going to set up our drivetrain blocks. Hit the blue drivetrain block, and we are going to make this easy. All we are going to do with our robot is make it spin. Now, you guys have a choice right here. You can do something more complicated, or you can just make your robot spin in a certain number of degrees when you press this button. Once you do that, you only have one other piece you need to add to the code. That is the thing that tells your robot to stop driving. That needs to be placed very carefully. Make sure it is between the bottom of the if bumper pressed statement and the bottom of the forever. Look very closely at the code on screen right now. Make sure yours looks just like mine before continuing. Then you are simply going to be able to go on over. You can minimize this, go over to brain, and hit connect. Once you have hit continue, you will select the top option, hit continue on whatever pop-ups you see there, and connect. When that is done correctly, you will see the download button and download it to your robot, and then you will be able to hit play.
If you coded your robot correctly, it should not move until you press the red button. And then, every time you press the red button, it should repeat the same action over and over again forever. The yellow button should do nothing. Right now, that comes next class.